Does your boyfriend always get his way? Yes.
Hello? Hey!
You're ready to go. Your canoe will be right down there by the water. Need a map?
No, I know this park well. Bear spray. You're not gonna need it.
I would be lucky to see anything bigger than a chipmunk.
Of course you're going that way.
This is the way.
Trying to turn me on right now?
No. Were you just walking by, or she invited me up for a chat?
I give backcountry eco tours. You sure you don't need a guide?
I already have one.
You're a lucky man, Alex.
Why don't you buy him the house next time?
I said I'm sorry. All good?
Yeah.
Alex,
I don't understand.
this can't be it, right? Can you look at me, please?
Just let me think. Just let me think. Let me think.
We don't have a map. We don't have a cell phone. We are in the middle of nowhere.
What is that? Oh, that's acorns. It's falling from the trees on a tent. That's not an acorn.